You searched how to buy shares of CK Hutchison Holdings Ltd, a diversified conglomerate active in ports, retail, infrastructure, and telecoms, listed on the HKEX under ticker 00001. HK. This video is for educational purposes only and does not provide financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search field and type the ticker 00001 HK to locate CK Hutchison Holdings Ltd. Select the matching HKEX listing to open its asset profile. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm you have the correct HKEX listing. Check the name and ticker 00001 HK to ensure it's CK Hutchison Holdings Ltd. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be pending, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. For reference, the eToro link is in the description below.